rounders guys. Dating baksidor guys. Naraday amo ang trainer niya guys. Si guard. Dating personal boxer. Naraday. Personal boxer to narayan training yun guys. 6 rounders. Dating baksidor na guys. Wah. Wah guys. Wah guys. Mau lang 6 rounds. Pitik kayo guys. Ada yung trainer sa personal boxer guard. Yang gibaging ang 6 rounds boxer. 6 round. Dating kwantong nagtudlo guys. Personal boxer. Galing guys, ang galing. Ang galing ng 6 rounders boxers guys. Oh. Dati yung baksidor guys. Ngayon lang nagpabaging guys. Ang galing ng boxer guys. Yan guys. Di nawa na kay sa hangin karon guys, kay karon na nakabalik og baging guys. Ang pro boxer guys. 6 rounders na guys. Karon pa man nakabalik good.
Nagatuig. Bitsi sa katuig way.
Boy boxing.
Wala ka gulit og lab.
Oh. Karon pa ka awid. Kabalik. Si ma'am.
Lagi ra ang sasan.
Pro boxers guys, 6 rounders guys. Yan. Nandito na yung trainer dahil nga si guard guys, dating
Wala.
pro boxers guys, tapos pro trainers guys. Yan, 6 rounders na guys. Dating pro boxers na guys. Ngayon lang comeback. Ayan ang si guard. Dating kuan ba to guys? Okay na to?
Awil lang ko tuhod bay.
Sige.